Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to help us with the donation, kindly donate. I'll be grateful to you. You should actually, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to online tarot learning workshop and numerology workshop, 10 days and 15 days workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And last but not the least, I'm not taking live sessions currently because I'm packed up with my personal readings. So that's why kindly hit the like, share and subscribe button so that on regular interval of time you can get your zodiac through particular reading. Okay, so I'm uploading daily, weekly, monthly readings. So kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will be getting your readings. Okay, you will be getting to know about your readings. Okay, so what's going on with Geminis? This is a love reading, bonus love reading. What are the situations you are going through currently, or what are you going through? What are you dealing with? I would like to know about it. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, the Empress. Let me pull out all the cards so that I'll be really reading to it. Okay, so yeah, wow, cards are coming out. The World. Wow. Justice. Cards are flipping out beautifully, which is a very good thing because then universe has a major intervention into your life. Okay, so yeah, Ten of Pentacles, beautiful. 10 and 10, 2, 10. Wow, guys, your cards are flipping out like anything beautifully. Okay. Okay, so let me start by telling you that you have beautiful cards, you have a lot of beautiful energies. Let's go towards it. So in the past, either you walked away from someone or someone else walked away from you because there was a lot of conflicts, fights, disputes when it comes to a particular situation, and you are worried about it. You have gone through a lot of pain, emotional heartbreak, emotional pain, and sadness, depressed energy. Okay, and yeah, that was into your past. In the current situation, you have a stuck energy. You don't know how to move forward into life. Okay, like you don't know that what are you supposed to do to move forward into your life. Okay, and that's the problem which is being created, and now you feel that you are no more interested when it comes to this connection. You are no more interested in taking a shit about this connection because you are going through some major rebirth, major transformation, major healing. Okay, yes, one important thing, guys. Wait, I hope this is okay for you guys. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but yeah, okay. So yeah, you are going through some major healing, major transformation, major rebirth. Okay, and there is some sort of an ending of a karmic cycle is taking place for you. Like if this connection was a karmic cycle for you, some sort of an ending is taking place, some sort of justice is coming into your life when it comes to this connection. Okay, like justice will be served to you when it comes to this connection. If this was not an honest connection, if this was not a truthful connection, then justice will be served to you. Okay, you have a stuck energy currently, but now you are taking an action to move forward into your life when it comes to your career related thing, and you are focusing a lot when it comes to your career related and your financial stuff. Okay, there's some sort of an offer will be given to you when it comes to there might be a possibility the same person might re-enter into your life with a new offer, new beginning, okay? But I don't know, I'm not sure about it. Let me clarify it. What's going on with Page of Pentacles? Universe, please tell me what's going on with Page of Pentacles. Oh yeah, so yeah, okay, High Priestess. Okay, so I think if you were stuck up when it comes to this connection, or if you were not interested into this connection, now you will be ready. If someone, someone might be coming back into your life by giving an offer of love towards you, okay? Like they are offering again a cup of love towards you, but this time their energies are different and positive, because I think they are highly intuitive when it comes to this connection, but you are not. You are not interested when it comes to this connection, but they are interested to gain you back into their life, okay? And they will be taking an action towards this connection. They will be working hard towards this connection, okay? And they are highly intuitive that this is not just a normal connection with you, Geminis, but they want an happily ever after with this connection, and they will be taking an action towards moving forward towards you, okay? And you will be highly intuitive, like high intuition level is going on with them as well as you are at a place where you are no more interested when it comes to this connection. You don't want to accept this connection anymore, and they are like they are ready to take an action, but they are not, like they were stuck up when it comes to this connection, and now they are ready. Yeah, you are releasing, and your connection, like two different energies are going on currently with you guys. You are releasing a lot of stuff and stuck up energy, okay? Like releasing all the sadness, worriness. Yeah, I think your person, there was a third party situation, I guess, for some of you. This won't be resonating with all of you, but just 2% of the people will be resonating with this situation, whatever this situation I'm telling about. So yeah, your person might be dealing with a third party situation. Either you or your person might, either of one was dealing with a third party situation, okay? And now they are closing off this third party situation, and they are taking an action to move forward towards this connection, okay? Yeah, some sort of an issue was going on in the past when it comes to this connection, and now they are ready to they are ready for a new beginning for you, okay? Like they are prepared mentally that they want you into their life, okay, Geminis? And they are ready to take an action towards it. They are ready for this new beginning, and they are releasing this hermit mode. That means they are releasing this stuck energy which they were having from this long time, okay? And now they are ready to take a new beginning into their life, okay? Like they are ready for a new beginning into your life. They are ready to take an action towards you. They will be moving forward towards you with an offer of love. So what else going on with my Geminis? Okay, yeah, so in the past, either you walked away from this relationship, either they walked away from this relationship. Either of the one person was cold when it comes to this relationship, okay? Was cold, was blunt, was not good with the other person, okay? It was in that relationship, but yeah, you are waiting for something. You're waiting for to hear some sort of news, waiting for some sort of text, waiting for some sort of an email. I don't think that you are waiting for this connection or this person. You're not waiting for this news to come, okay? But you are waiting for some sort of major closure when it comes to this connection, okay? Yes, you are thinking, contemplating a lot when it comes to this connection, and but I think they are coming with an offer of love towards you. It's a new, like this is a very weird energy which I am seeing currently. This situation might not be resonating with every one of you. Kindly comment down below. I want to know with how many people this situation is resonating, okay? So there's a third party situation issue, and now they are closing that karmic cycle with that person, and they are coming with an offer of love towards you. They are thinking, contemplating, and finally taking an action. In the month of July, they might be coming in your life again, back. Yes, they are taking an action, but I think they are waiting for something. If you are waiting for some sort of career opportunities, then they are waiting for the right time. There is some sort of divine timing is playing its role, and at that particular point of time you will be together. Okay, yes, there is a divine timing. Why I'm saying? Because there is a judgment card. They are finally making a decision whether they want you or that person. Okay, and I think they'll be choosing you, because this is also a card of reconciliation, reunion. Okay, so they'll be choosing you. Okay, head over heart decision, guys. So they are into a tough situation right now. Your partner is into a tough situation, I can say. Okay, so yeah, let me tell out the energies you might be dealing with. You might be dealing with a Libra, you might be dealing with a Cancer, you might be dealing with Aries, you might be dealing with water signs, Leo, Scorpio and Cancer. No, Pisces, Scorpio and Cancerians. Pentacles, with Pentacles you might be dealing with air signs, that is Gemini and Libra, Aquarius. And with Hangman energy you might be dealing with a spiritual karmic relationship, and you might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So yeah, a lot of and we have 10 and 10. So 10 is all about wish fulfillment, major stability. So in the future, this new beginning, if the past person is returning back, reconciliation is taking place, then there's a lot of new happy moments will be there. Your wish will be fulfilled. I can say that because there is 2 tens, and 10 comes in very different readings. Like if 10 and 10 are coming twice, that is a beautiful reading, because it's a major reading for you guys. Okay, so yes, new beginning is taking place, and this will change whole your life in a major, this is a major life change, major transformation, major new beginning, major changes you will be going through. Okay, and which is a beautiful thing, guys. Okay, so yeah, let me pull out few oracle cards for you guys. Yeah, the Magician. You are manifesting something. I think physically you are saying that I don't want this connection, I'm not interested with this connection, but in the heart, or in the heart within yourself, you want this connection somewhere, somehow. Okay, so yeah, I can see that you are manifesting it, like from outside you are saying I don't want this connection, and from inside, yeah, you do. You are just not accepting it. It's like that. Judgment and judgment, major reconciliation, guys, major decision. They are making a major decision of reconciling with you. 2 times judgments. Beautiful. So let me pull out few oracle cards for you. Long-term commitment is coming into your way because of number 6. 6 is all about long-term commitment. Okay, yes. 2 more cards. Yeah, okay. So this is not just an ordinary connection. With number 8, I think some sort of, someone is making a move towards you. Someone is coming towards you, okay? Or some sort of traveling will be taking place, but some sort of major movement will be taking place for you, okay? Yeah, you are releasing all the fights, confusions, conflicted energy from your head, heart and mind, okay? And if you haven't released it, okay, yes. And I think success is there, success is waiting for you. If this new beginning is coming, I think your materialistic world will be fulfilled with 10 of cups and 10 of pentacles. Your stability in your financial and materialistic world and your personal life will be there, okay? So because there is 2 10, and 10 is all about completion, ending, okay, and a new beginning, okay? So which is a beautiful place, which is a beautiful reading, okay? Yes. So these are the healing cards for you guys, okay? So many cards popped up, but I'm not taking all of it. I'll be just pulling out just any random cards, okay, because many popped out. Yeah, just 2 cards. Okay, Healing message for fear. If you are fearing from something or from this situation, there is a message for you from the universe. When it comes to a problem that makes me anxious, I approach it and do not avoid it. I have an unlimited resources of courage and a spirit within me. Healing message for fear. Again, I now learn from past disappointing relationships so I can release the anger and sadness and move on to more fulfilling ones. Okay, so I think there might be two energies you might be dealing with. The first half of Gemini's, like half of the Gemini's might be reconciling with this connection because the past is re-entering into their life. Okay, and the second half will be actually ending the connection, like ending a relationship. Some sort of divorce might be taking place for the people who are already into married life. For the people who are into a relationship, they might be breaking up. Okay, so half of the, like it has been splitted into two different energies. Okay, so that's why yeah, so this is what I have for you today. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you really liked my reading, kindly comment down below for how many people it resonated actually. Okay, and also kindly help us to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help us to cross 1000 subscribers. And for booking details, that every single detail out there is given in the description box below. You can help us with the donation. The details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, if you want to learn tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join affordable personal readings with me, the details are given in the description box below. So give a like, share and thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasoul Tarot Prediction, because daily, monthly and weekly I am uploading different kinds of reading for you guys. Okay, so I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. But thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.